General theory of relativity. Einstein's general theory of relativity, published in 1915, expanded upon the special theory of relativity and provided a new understanding of gravity. It introduces the concept that gravity is not simply a force, but rather a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. The key idea behind this theory is that objects with mass cause spacetime to curve, and the motion of objects is influenced by this curved spacetime. The general theory of relativity explains gravity as the result of objects following the shortest path, or geodesics, in the curved spacetime caused by massive objects. It also predicts phenomena like gravitational time dilation and the bending of light around massive objects. While these theories are not laws in the traditional scientific sense, they are widely accepted and form the foundation of modern physics. They have been extensively tested and confirmed through numerous experiments and observations, shaping our understanding of the universe at both the macroscopic and microscopic scales.